Yeah, that girl, she was kind of rude. She kept saying I used diapers. I use diapers. Well, I guess I'm still little. Well, I get that kinda rude. Yes, very rude. She said I was a pull-up poopy girl. She's so rude.
Yeah, super rude. And
is it just me, or did a diaper just fall from the sky? Nope, it's not just you. A diaper fell from the sky.
very, very weird. But anyways, ow, that hurt. No.
Diapers cannot fall from the sky. This is very weird.
Just ignore it, Emma. But anyways, 2. I cannot believe my eyes. 2 diapers just fell from the sky.
Nice song, but seriously, are we dreaming?
I don't think so. But anyways, ow, that actually really hurt. This is insane. Okay, this is so crazy. But like, and by the way, and like, run for your life! Someone's trying to haunt us! For once, I want a potty train! I get your point, baby Brittany.